I'm Lonnie, and I'm a ballroom dancer. And instructor. Roderick, thank you for that. I also am a life coach, and you know, what he says is so true. You know, I walked away from a very successful business in New Hampshire, moved to Oklahoma to take care of my dad, and I figured, I'm an entrepreneur, I'll figure out something to do. And for the last 13 years, I've been beating my head against the wall trying to figure out what that's going to be. I just got into a stuck place in my life, and it was very frustrating for me, and I had to work through things. And we all, when we come into anything that's new, we're going to have challenges, we're going to have things that pop up that maybe we're not used to, but that's part of your process, that's part of my process. And those are good things. So persevere, you know, and stick through it. And have a dream that's big enough. And have it out in front of you every moment, every day. Put it on your mirror, put it on your bedside, put it everywhere you can, carry it in your wallet, whatever. Because those are going to get you through all the little annoyances that we have. Because they're just things. You know? But when our dream's big enough, we have our why, and we're going to keep going. And I wanted to say one other thing for Ann and her staff. You know, in that 13 years I had been, I'm a businessman, right? I'm going to find something, and I'm researching online because I'm home taking care of my dad. I can't get out a lot. It's just a different thing for me that I had to adjust to. And there's, how many know that there's a lot of gurus out there? Yeah, right? And they're all selling the magic formula that they only they have. They have the secret that's going to change your life. They have the magic formula that only they have. And it's like, really? And honestly, when I saw Ann's Facebook ad, I'm like, well, I'll click on this one too. And guess what? I'm so thankful that there was no magic formula. There was no secret. It was very real. And as a life coach, I understood there was an energy just in that message itself that was very different than everything else I had seen. And it impressed me, and I realized that I need to find out more about this. So I just want to thank Ann from the bottom of my heart, Words Don't Express, and for all the staff, and coming here, and everybody is so real and vulnerable and transparent. I mean, Kurt spent, I don't know how much time at our table last night just pouring his heart out with answering all of our questions. And he didn't have to do that. You know? And so many of you others have just come, and you've been so encouraging and so true and so real that it's made a difference to me. And I want to go from being this infant who needs to the adult who can give back. And I want to see that for all of us. So when we come back next year, we're that much further ahead. So Ann and your staff, thank you. Thank you.